All right, y'all. So one of the best ways on how I am studying for the Florida Analyzer Administrator exam for the FCP, how I am studying is I am going over the lessons here and I am re-describing what I've learned in the modules in my own words. So it actually helps me retain that information. Change default admin password. When you have Florida Analyzer up and running, you want to always reset the admin password, change it to something else, but don't leave the default password on the admin. So it's pretty much I am explaining what I've learned in my own words. The titles are probably the same, but then I go ahead and explain like how to do it, but not exactly how they were listed in the actual lesson. So I have an actual lab up, so I'm going to put that. The objectives of the lab I actually want to put in the notes too, in case I want to go over these notes and do that exact same lab on a VM. I may take some snapshots of what is being done, but again, it's still in my own words. SAML authentication monitoring, and I do all this because the mind kind of sticks. The information sticks more to the mind when you explain it to someone or you explain it to yourself. In my case, I'm explaining it to myself, but on paper. You can also talk to yourself to it as well. If you don't have anyone to talk to or explain it, and because not everyone's going to know what the heck you're talking about, this is a perfect example of taking notes and doing that in a way where you can still maintain and retain that information. You're just doing it on paper. See, it's better than actually writing exactly what you learn on it. It's better putting it in your own words and going over that information. So that is exactly what I did. So I'm going to go ahead and list the lab objectives here, and I will conduct the lab on the Florida Analyzer virtual machine that will be spinning up.